Welcome to the world of ABC Smart Kids! A is for apple, 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 red apple. B is for ball, 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 bouncing ball. C is for cat, cat, cute cat. D is for dog, dog, loving dog. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish, 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 swimming fish. G is for glasses, glasses, shiny glasses. H is for horse, horse, running horse. I is for ice cream, ice cream, cold ice cream. J is for jelly, jelly, K is for king, king, loyal king. L is for lion, lion, roaring lion. M is for monkey, monkey, jumping monkey. N is for nest, nest, small nest. O is for orange, orange, juicy orange. P is for penguin, penguin, pretty penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, hot sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella, unique umbrella. V is for van, van, kids van. Water is for water, water, clean water. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yolk, yolk. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Apple. Bubba Bear, the bouncing bear, believes in big, beautiful dancing. Cactus. Cactus. Da dog. The dashing dog dances and dreams of delicious treats. Elephant. The energetic elephant enjoys exercising. Foo, fish.
Gah, goose. The giggling goose goes gah, and grins.
Hare. The hairy hero happily hops and shakes its hair. Iguana. The jiggling juice jumps and joins the jolly journey. Kangaroo. The kicking kangaroo keeps kicking and dancing. Lovely lamplight.
Monster! The merry monster makes many magnificent moves.
Night. The napping knight nicely nods in the navy sky. Octopus. The odd octopus offers only outstanding ornaments. Pencil. The playful pencil points perfectly. Queen. The quiet queen quickly questions the quirky quest. Radiant rose. Sun, the smiling sun shines so super steadily. Turtle. The tiny turtle travels tirelessly. Umbrella. The upbeat umbrella is underneath the rain.
Violin. The vibrant violin voices very valuable verses.
Wind. The winged wind whistles with wonder. Cress X-ray. The X-ray Zeem examines extra xylophones. Yo-yo. The yellow yo-yo yaps and yo-yos with youthful joy. Zipper. The zippy zipper zips and zags with zeal. You did it! You are becoming a phonics superstar. If you loved our friends, click the like and subscribe button. Apple, A for ant, B for bear, B for bee, bee. C for car, C for cat, key. D for dog, D for duck, D. E for egg, E for elephant, E. F for fish, F for flower, F. G for goat, G for gate, G. H for house, H for hat, ha. I for igloo, I for insect, I. J for juice, J for jar, G. K for king, K for kite, key. L for log, L for ladybug, lel. M for moon, M for mouse, N for nest, N for nightingale, N. O for ocean, O for octopus, ooh. P for parrot, P for pirate, poo. Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q. R for river, R for rabbit, S for sun, S for snail, C. T for table, T for toy, T. U for uncle, U for umbrella, U. V for violin, V for violet, V. W for well, W for water, X for Xmas tree, X for xylophone, X. Y for yacht, for zoo. Z, 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 z.